action. We're back in the action, boys. Another day, another hustle. Another video you guys probably just clicked on thinking, why the f did I click on this? It doesn't even make sense. Let me tell you something real quick, boys. The best of videos in life never make sense. Let's take Kim Kardashian's SEX tape. Now let me tell you, I saw a lot of D in that video. I saw no P, or V if you want to call it that, which meant it didn't make sense. But it was still great, still legendary. We remember it to this day. So what I'm trying to say for this video is I gotta get butt naked like Kim Kardashian didn't. We're gonna make it legendary. I'm just kidding, I can't do that. YouTube won't let me, nor will my network, which is weird. It's just a fucking acorn, dude. Like, it's not that noticeable on camera. Anyway, getting that aside, the reason we're doing this video today is I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Lately, as you guys may have known, there's been lots of videos on YouTube blowing up for hydro dipping. Now, I don't know if you guys watched my channel a year ago and years back from that, but I used to customize every sneaker known to man. I literally in 2 years spent $30,000 on Yeezys just to customize them, F them up in the weirdest way possible, aka hydro dipping. Been doing that. Also deep frying them, making them into FLESH lights. I'm spelling it out just because I don't want to get demonetized and a bunch of other things. It was dope. I loved it. I got sick of it though, so I stopped it. I kind of traveled on to a new avenue on YouTube and stuff like that. But as I said, a lot of these hydro dip videos right now are popping on YouTube, which means the ones that I've done 1, 2, 3 years ago are really popping. People are clicking on them, stuff like that. So obviously it's no brainer. Here's where the honesty comes in. I'm not going to not hydro dip something when my videos are popping like that. I want more money, and I thought it was fun, so I'm doing it. So with that being said, man, today we're going on to the hydro dip custom name brand, the name brand that used to be for this video. And honestly, I do want to ask you guys, because like I say, I have given this whole custom thing a year off. If you guys like my custom videos that I used to do, if you guys are real OG name brand fans, let me know with the thumbs up. Comment down below what one is your favorite, or if you want me to come back to it or not. And lastly, what we're hydro dipping today is obviously, well, okay, so I wasn't even sure what I was gonna hydro dip. I actually bought the materials for this about 6 months ago, but I never had an idea of what I wanted to do with it. And I didn't want to do shoes. Been there, done that. Everyone's doing shoes. So I thought, hey man, what do I talk about on the channel, and what do I have a lot of? Fake rapper chains. Chains that rappers actually wear, exact replicas, stuff like that. So we're hydro dipping chains today. Thought it'd be fun. I can't judge a boy on that. So anyway, we're hydro dipping a bunch of chains today. Now I want to say every chain but one in this video I got off NameBranFam.com. Now if you guys haven't seen NameBranFam.com, it's actually our new website that we started. The link is down below, and you guys can buy a bunch of chains, rings like this one right here. This one's real, but this one's from my website, exact replica, and you can get like this for free, except you gotta pay shipping. So NameBranFam.com if you want any jewelry and stuff like that, slash phone cases, slash pillowcases, slash, you know, Selena Gomez merch. We got it all. Without further ado, boys, let's get on to the first step of this hydro dipping process, shall we? First things first, before we start hydro dipping chains, boys, we got 2 ingredients in mind. I got them in my closet. Yo, they're real long, they're real skinny. It's not a baseball bat or a hockey stick, it's a dildo. Just kidding. No, it's like hydro dipping film or something like that. We'll grab it right now. Alright, boys, so we got these 2 shafts of hydro dipping. Now, if you guys don't know what hydro dipping is, I probably should have explained it already. It's when people spray paint into water, like you'll spray paint red and black, you dip it in, it comes out red and black, or whatever. What I have here, because I can't buy spray paint anymore, the one store that I go to I'm banned from, and then there's a paint store I'm also banned from that for whatever reason. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Anyway, what this is a film. So this acts as spray paint. We put this in the water, and then I guess we dip our stuff in it, and it's gonna stick to it. Now we got 2 colors today, boys. We got pink camo, which apparently I was feeling real feminine one day, and then we got a bunch of flames. I guess I was feeling like a 12-year-old that day too, so I don't really know what I was doing. It was 6 months ago. I'm growing since then, man. If I were to choose now, I would have gone with tits. You know what I mean? Like booby. Straight up booby print, something like that. But apparently, when I bought it, the whole name brand wasn't there yet. You know what I mean? So first things first for this, man, we're talking about practice. That's the first step. Not a game. We're talking about practice. I haven't practiced doing this yet. I've actually never used this film that I have right here that's supposed to go in the water so you can dip it into it. So we're going to try it right now. I'm going to kind of perfect it behind the camera, and then we're actually going to do the real stuff. Which leaves us to our next point, bro. This is a step-to-step process. Fill up the little container with water. Yeah, just like that. Don't drink it. We're about to dip it. Alright, so we got the water in this dish. Keep in mind, this is just like a little practice process. I don't need to film this, but I want to teach you guys how to do it if you want to. So apparently you lick your fingers, whatever side sticks, you put on the water right there. And what we're going to be practicing on, we got this little 6'9" gold grill here or whatever. May as well try it. If you guys want to wear grills and you want to make it camouflage pink like a dick you are, then I guess, you know, it's the right process for you, bro. Alright, so I've let this soak in for about a couple minutes now. I don't know, this is kind of how it looks. And I'm just going to take the gold grill, and what you have to do is do it like this, you know what I mean? I guess I'll just do this, see if we can get it half and half. And then you do a little shake. Oh, shit! Dropped it in, sorry, my bad, guys. That doesn't look half bad. Oh no, it looks awful. Alright boys, so I've been messing with this for a bit. Sorry for the POV angle, my tripod's broken. I don't know how to friggin' make it smaller. Which I wish I had a problem with my wiener, but I don't. So, here's what we're working with today, man. We got this right here. So, this is what I call an XXX Tentacion pendant. Got from NameBranFam.com. We got an Esketit chain. We also have this blueface chain right here. Now, this thing itself, just because it's fake, it doesn't mean it's not worth money. This is about $350. If that doesn't work out, I thought I'd bring out this shoe that I don't wear anymore. It's about $2,000 USD, I think, unless it went down in price. We're going to try this one as well. So, without further ado, boys, let's start hydro dipping more. Alright man, so we're all ready for our first piece right here. This is our tester one. We got the broken heart pendant right here. And what we're gonna do is I guess we just dip it in. Now I've been practicing. I think I got it. Maybe I'll let it wait. No, I won't. Very nice, very nice. Very sick contact. We got contact, boys. Contact like Mia Khalifa on, well, a bunch of black guys. So maybe not. What is this? First one, not a huge hit. However, this might be a new fad in rapper industry. If they wanted to rock this, NameBran fam will hit you up. First one's not a good thing. Okay. Alright boys, so clearly the last one you can go through, and we're just gonna do this one as another tester, I guess. I tested these a lot. It was working a lot in that small pan. I might have to switch back to it, but we have the Esketit chain. We're gonna try that one right here, because honestly, I think if this turns out really well, just the chain part, it'd be super dope. If you see a little glistening like underneath it, you know what I mean? So, we are gonna give her another go right now. POV angle. I feel like this is a better angle for all of us. You know what I mean? Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Catch, catch, catch. Esketit, yes. I planned to say that because I thought that might... Actually, it doesn't look that bad. It's not good. It's definitely not good by any means, but we're getting there. We at least have a little bit of color on this. Quick intermission. If you guys remember me doing custom videos, I generally get really pissed off with them. PS4, back at it, boys. Alright, next up we're gonna try the shoe, boys. Now, if the shoe works out, that would be super dope. We have this flame one that I really want to try. So I guess flames go that way. We're gonna do a spray it down one more time. I really want this to work, trust me, because like first off, it's what you came for. Also, it gives me a really good thumbnail. So what we're gonna do now is I should be taping this. God, it's potent. What is this? So flames are already getting wrinklier than my balls. We're just gonna, I think I'm just gonna put half of it in like this. If I really wanted to do a clean job, I would. I'd tape it up, but I don't really care. I just want this to work, so let's go. There we go. Yes, catching, 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 catching. Very sick, very sick, very sick. Good, that's all I want. We did it! Yes! Check that out, boys. We got the flame action all along the shoe. Oh, I wish I would have taped that. Damn it! So it does work, but as you guys can see, that's actually sick. I'd actually just wear it like this because I don't really care that much, but dang, that's cool, man. So we got the flame action. All right, boys, last one right here. We're doing this real POV angle right now, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dip it like we usually do. All right, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Take, take, take. Quick shake. Quick shake. Oh, buddy. Oh, this might... Oh, this isn't gonna...